In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sync your Google Contacts with Pipedrive CRM in just a few simple steps. This seamless integration is a fantastic way to ensure that all your contacts are consistently up to date, which can save you time and streamline your workflow. So let's dive right in. First, open up your web browser and navigate to pipedrive.com. This is your go-to platform for managing sales processes and keeping your data organized in one central place. Once you're on the home page, look for the login button, which is typically found in the upper right hand corner of the page. Go ahead and click on it. Now you'll need to enter your login credentials. If you already have an account, simply type in your email and password. For those who might be new and haven't yet registered, you'll need to create an account to proceed. Once you've entered your information, hit the login button and you'll be directed to your Pipedrive dashboard. Once inside, navigate over to the pipeline deals section. This area allows you to oversee all your ongoing deals and manage your sales funnel efficiently. Look towards the top right corner for your account icon. Click on it to open a drop-down menu. In this menu, you're going to click on Personal Preferences. What this does is it redirects you to a page where you have all sorts of options related to your account settings and personal data management. Here, your next move is to select Contact Sync from the list of options available. At this point, you'll see an option to add new account. Click this and you'll be prompted to enter the email address linked to your Google Contacts. This step is crucial as it forms the direct connection between Pipedrive and your Google account. After entering your email, hit the Continue button. You will be prompted to select which email you wish to sync, so ensure you click on the appropriate Google account. Once selected, click Continue to proceed with the authorization process. This step is about granting permission to Pipedrive to access your Google Contacts. It's essential for the integration to function properly. Once you've authorized access, click on Start Syncing. You will notice the system starting the synchronization process. A final step involves enabling Contact Sync by clicking on Enable Contact Sync, which will confirm that you are ready to connect and merge your contacts across the platforms. And there you have it. In just a few minutes, you've successfully